Kitchen 101. The main purpose of a marinade is to add flavor. Marinades are a combination of something acidic like vinegar or citrus juice, along with herbs, spices, salt, and oil. In a jalapeno lime marinade, lime juice is the acid, and jalapenos, garlic, and cilantro add the flavor boost. Keep in mind these simple guidelines to get the most out of your marinades. Plan on about ½ cup of marinade for every pound of meat. Use a zip-top food storage bag, squeezing out excess air to keep the marinade in close contact with the meat. The rule of thumb is to marinate more delicate proteins like fish and shrimp for a short time, say about 15 minutes. Steaks and chops can handle a bit more, maybe 2 to 4 hours. Chicken and larger roasts like brisket or pork shoulder can go as long as overnight. The boost of flavor it gives will be worth the time.